Спасибо to Angie, спасибо to Керимов, Сулейман. Керимов, Сулейман! You know, I have to say something about Керимов, Sулейман, and Van Damme. They have the same thing. They've been all their life promoting sports, helping children to find a place like what Angie and Kerimov did in this stadium is just amazing. It's unbelievable, and that's going to help so many children to come over here and do sports. And Van Damme, because of his movies, so many children all over the world went and were motivated to do sports. So again, спасибо to Kerimov and to Van Damme.
Спасибо, Жан-Клод. Спасибо, Сулейман Керимов, за то, что вы делаете.
والحمد لله الحمد لله الحمد لله رب العالمين.